Students, there was some technical problem due to which I had prepared another video for the remaining topic, that was advantages of debenture and disadvantages of debenture, continuation to your first topic only, alright, for today. So kindly go through it also. Now, advantages of debentures, as I was discussing with you, that these debentures have certain importance, alright. Now, what are they important from the point of view of debenture holders? Now, first it says appeal to cautious investors. Here it says, in appeal to cautious, that large amount of finance can be raised by issue of debentures from cautious and orthodox investors who prefer safety of investment and a fixed return. Fixed return is in the form of interest, and the money is also safe because they are getting the acknowledgement which is being given to these creditors for their for providing their financial assistance or money as a borrowed fund to the companies. Then secondly, it says regular return. Debenture holders are paid interest at a fixed rate. This is fixed for them, that every year annually interest will be paid to the debenture holders or at a periodic interval, irrespective of profit, whether there is profit, whether there is loss, but these debenture holders are secure that they will get the interest on their debentures. Then safety of investment is a safety of investment. It says that debentures are usually secured by a charge of the company asset, therefore their repayment is assured. Then next is from the point of view of company. It says economic source. They had economic source. That economic source means the company can raise funds through debentures at a relative low cost. Alright, these debentures have been issued on the company issues these debentures to the creditors at very low prices. This is because investors consider debenture at a safe investment. Then freedom of management. Alright, here it says debentures do not carry any kind of voting rights, so the company can raise funds without diluting or weakening the control of existing members. Then the next is trading on equity. Company can repay the fund raised through debentures when it does not require the fund anymore. Whenever the company is not in the need, they can return the money to the debenture holders. Then next point says flexibility. Company can repay the funds raised through debentures when it does not require. Alright, that is the flexibility. Then next is tax relief. Interest is paid on debentures is allowed to a debenture. Interest paid on debenture is allowed a deduction while calculating taxable income. This was about the advantages. Now about the disadvantages. The very first, it's a permanent burden of interest because the company has to pay the interest to the debenture holders every year irrespective of their profit. So it's a permanent burden to the company. Then secondly, reduction in credit standing. The credit worthiness of a company which has issued a large amount of debenture is very low. Then charge on asset. Debentures usually involve mortgage of fixed assets. Alright, a company can raise funds easily through debentures unless it has enough fixed asset. During a period of depression, company may not be able to repay the amount. Then next it says reduction in dividend. During the time of low earning, very little profit might be earned or left after the payment of interest on debenture. Then the company has to pay enough dividend and the market value of its shares may go down. Next, from the point of view of debenture holders, no voting rights. The debenture holders do not get any kind of voting powers. Alright, They cannot participate in the decision making of the company. Then high unit price. High unit price, it says in high unit price, it says that the unit price of debentures is generally higher than that of the shares. Then unattractive. Enterprising investors who want high return and appreciation of their capital find debentures unattractive because they do not get any kind of appreciation of their capital. These were the drawbacks. So till here only I'll complete today. This is all for today, children. I hope you have understood. Now with this only I will be finishing my topic. Go through all the topic, get the explanation done, do the assignment which has been allotted. Stay safe, stay home. Alright, be healthy. Take care.